Alright, so I've got to replace 4 spotlights that have burned out. And I've already put these 3 together, but I'm going to show you how I put it together. Here's the last one. Alright, so you just got to unscrew this. These are all going to be staked in the ground. You don't want to lose this little thing on the back, so put your thumb there or your finger, and you're going to shove it through the hole here. See, there's a hole there. Put it through there, and then you're going to get your screw on it. Just like that. You see? I put it right in there. Just tighten it down. Yep. There we go. And then we got to put our, in there. Cha-ching. There we go. Bam, done. So these are 12 volt. Doesn't matter how you do it, but there's your 2 lines. And we're just going to go ahead and I'm going to strip these a little bit so that we have a little bit more, a little bit more to catch on to. And I believe we got to go to about 18 on this. Oops. I think 18. Should be 18. Let's go even lower. Alright, there we go. So now you can see I've got a little bit more on there. So what I'm doing is I'm going all the way to the lowest grade on here. The lowest thing. And I twist it to cut the... there we go. So now we've got a little bit more showing, and we can go ahead. And so now we got a little bit more showing, and we can go ahead and put our wire nuts on those. I'm going to do that to all 4 of them. Okay, so I stripped them all down, as you can see. Got them all, nice and opened up here. Oops. There they are. So I've got them all done. I got 4 of them. And now we just got to go out there and connect them. All right, let's go do that. So this one right here and this one right here are not working properly. That one's really not bright, and this one's like completely off. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this one right here. Okay, so anyway, I'm just gonna pull it out. And, right, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this, and then we'll just hook the new one on there. I just gotta get a cutter. All right, so what I'm gonna do is a workaround. I'm just gonna come in here. I'm gonna cut it right about here, right there, right about there. Yeah, I'm done. Pull this one out. All right, so we've got a lot of room here, okay? So you can see right there we're good. I just got to connect those 2, and then we'll probably have to put a little bit of electrical tape on there. You follow me? So here we are, right? Pull back. All right, so here we are. Here's our 2 wires, right? So I'm going to just connect them like this. I kind of twist them, and then I'm going to put my wire nut on right here. Make sure we get it nice and tight. Then we're going to do this one here. Twist it first, and go ahead and get our wire nut on there. We got this one open though. I don't know if I like that. I might have to put some electrical tape around that. But that should do it. Alright, so there we go. Now we'll have to test it tonight. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and wrap this. Just get it nice and good and wrapped. And hopefully this will keep some of the moisture out. All right, so we'll just leave that like that for now, and we'll just see if this thing works tonight. See if we get any kind of good light from it. All right, so we're going to do the same thing with this one here. Cut it right there. There we go. Now we just got to connect these. Let's get them up here. It looks like we should have enough. Could maybe use a little bit more, but just go ahead and put them together. It's supposed to tighten down, but that's not tightening very good. Let's see. Might need smaller wire nuts. Well, they seem to be holding. All right, let's wrap them. Get some electrical tape on them. All right, then we'll come back tonight. We'll see if that works. Hopefully, we should be good. Okay, so anyway, you can see that after a year or two, these things, they die out, unfortunately. So let me show you that one. This one here. And this one here was actually not that bad. I mean, it still was lighting, but it was not lighting bright. So these were thrown away, and hopefully our new ones will work out great. I will check them tonight, and we'll take a look at them and see if we did a good job. All right. All right, so we got the power back on. And check out our lights. Yeah, they're shiny. Nice. One over here is working, and the tree's illuminated. Looks good. All right, I think we're good. Bam.